Pause for a moment at dawn and observe the delicate dewdrops shimmering on grass and leaves. In many spiritual traditions, morning dew is revered as a symbol of renewal and divine blessings. Its gentle arrival at sunrise signifies a fresh start, washing away the residue of yesterday. Dew forms silently, reminding us that profound transformation often happens quietly. In ancient texts, dew was seen as a physical manifestation of grace, nature's way of nurturing life with subtlety and care. Embracing dew's message inspires us to welcome each new day with gratitude and openness.